Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox my new controller from aimcontrollers.com. I have to say I'm waiting a long time for this. I ordered this controller on 29th of April and I received it today, where is 7th of July. And if you live in UK, you need to know the thing that when you receive the controller at home, you still have to pay another £48. Let me hide the details. I want to show you that. So if you are from UK and you want to order from them, you need to know that you have to pay another £48, like it says here, from them. Okay, here is the invoice. Thank you for your purchase. You can see here Kadin, the name. It cost £168. I had a discount, 50% was a promotion, that's why I bought it. Okay, here you have a manual. You can see the manual. It says everything about, you have the TMR sticks, if you want any information about the smart digital, everything that you need to know about your controller you find here, which is very useful. Now let's get the box. So let's get this away. So this is the box, if you can see it. Let's try to open it, and there you are, the long waiting list. So we have this sticker, says learn more about this if you want as well. And then we have the controller. Oh man, this feels quality. Yeah, look at this. And you can even change the bumpers. Look, if you want to go for long and short, clicky, long. Yeah, that's very nice. And you have 4 back poles. Look, these back poles. That's very clicky. I don't know if you can see everything, but that's very clicky. It feels very nice. Let's see. That sticks feels very light, to be honest. I have 2 buttons here. This is digital compress. I choose to be white. Let's see. They say that you can change. Oops, sorry. You can change this. These are removable. You can put it back. Magnetical. Okay. This one as well. If you want to change, they have on their website, you can order and you can change it if you wish. That's all. Okay, let's put that back. Let's see how very easy to use, to be honest. It feels big. It's gonna take a while to adjust to this controller because I'm used with Xbox. I'm currently using this from games here. I don't know, I have to be honest, this feels more comfortable because I'm used to it, I don't know, and more lighter than this. This is much heavier than this one. This is so light. Okay, we have USB Type-C, we have 4 back poles. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. There's the box, and we have another small box here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, damn, nice. We got this one, I think is for changing or reset. For reset, we have a reset button here. I don't know if you can see, this is to reset it. If you need that, that's very good, very nice. And this one is very good as well. Thank you for this. You have another pair of back paddles. If you want it in red, to choose this, to change it in case of broke, or you want to change the color, you can do it. That's very nice. And we have the cable. I have to say, this cable is short. Like, come on guys, this is too short. You should put a longer cable. This is too short, man. Look, it's too short. I don't know how to show in the camera, but it's too short. I'm very honest, this is too short. It should be double the size that it is. So if you need to have your own cable, to be honest, because this is short, like short, too short. Okay guys, thank you for your patience. I hope you like the review. Please give a like and comment if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.